Hi everybody, welcome to my fake live. Before we get started, I want to let you know that our check-in today, I am going to pick a winner, but it will be when I get back from vacation. So I'm on vacation now, that's why you're seeing me here, not live. And don't make fun of me if you see me wearing the same shirt all week. It's been a little stressful here, so getting all of my videos filmed has been, a project. So today we are starting our Farmhouse tier tray week, and we're going to start with making our bases for our tier tray. Now, you know that our amazing tier tray it ships flat and is assembled like this. Well, when we first did it, we chalked right on that tier tray and then realized if you want to reuse the tier tray over and over, just like all the rest of our products that we love here at Chalk Couture, I made tier tray base cutouts. Now, Valentine's Day is over, so I'm going to flip over my Valentine's Day bases, and we're going to do our Farmhouse bases on, did you guys see that? These were our Valentine, and we're flipping them over to do the backside. All right, so let me show you how this will go. This is our super cute design. We have this fun stripe and a little greenery here. This is called the Farmhouse half circle pattern, all right? Now, the big one is gonna go on the bottom, and the smaller one will go on the top. We're gonna be real simple. I have already waxed these surfaces when I was using them before, so have no worries. I am definitely gonna write on the back of this though, before I forget. And I might as well do this one as well. Okay. Well, I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm sure I am somewhere sunny and warm. And I'm sure I'm having a grand old time. All right. Now, I am going to just use the circle, the cutout circle on this to kind of center my stripe, okay? And we're going to do both halves. I am using our black velvet, very easy, traditional. We're going to do a lot of black and white and natural colors. I am going to go in, I'm going to use this mini squeegee. So we're just going to do our stripes like this. We're just going to, there we go, kind of as quickly as we can. I'm excited for when this turns out because it's going to be such a neutral decor piece that you can use this, put it in your everyday, and you can use it anytime you want. Anytime you need to have that neutral. All right, let's go ahead and rotate this. I'm gonna do the same thing and just kind of, well, maybe I should dry that. If it's gonna overlap a little bit, don't you think? We don't want it to dry. If you are new to my page, go ahead and comment VIP right in the comments there, and I'll send you a little welcome message and a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. CreativeSarah at Home gives you all ideas and inspiration and insider information about what you do at home. Create, decorate, clean, all of those things. So, I know everybody's favorite thing to do at home, right? Clean. May not be my favorite thing, but I love to have a clean house. All right, here we go. So I am just gonna get this done. Now I did not clean this transfer in between uses, and you should be good to go with doing that twice. Usually my limit is 3 times. Like I can use a transfer 3 times before I feel like it's not gonna get that really good image anymore. And then after that, you just wash it, dry it, and you can use it again. So, just in case you were wondering, you're just gonna squeegee that paste across the silk screen area to get good coverage. And you definitely want to make sure that you are squeegeeing. You're not just like patting it or trying to, you know, tap it or whatever. I'm just going to get in there and look and make sure. Looks like I got good coverage. All right. So now we're going to peel. Perfect. Perfection. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in my water, and I'm going to get it clean as I can in here. I'm going to use our board eraser because that is the best way to get that chalk off of the front of your transfer. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to dry this before we want to assemble anything. I'm going to make sure this is dry. Okay, now let's go with our second cutout here. Again, these cutouts, you can find them in my Etsy shop. They're the tiered tray base cutouts, and comes in a 2-pack, so you get the small and the big. And they are available right now. The link to get these is in the description of this video. I can't put it in the pin post because I'm not really live. But if you're watching the replay, which you are, you can grab this by clicking on that link in the description. Ooh, I love it. Looks awesome. Let's do a little bit of drying here, just so that I can get the rest of that in here. Have you heard about our amazing sale this month? So currently, we have a bunch of transfers in the special section, specials, like sale of the website, and everybody gets to enjoy 20% off of all of those transfers. Now, if you are a club member, you get to enjoy 40, I said that right, 40% off. So if you're not a club member and you would like to take advantage of that 40% off, it's not too late to join the club and get that discount. So all you have to do is type the word club into the comments right now. Just type the word club and, sorry, that's for getting a sample. You can do that too, but club, and I will send you the link so that you can check out everything that has to do with our club. Now, it's not just this sale that's happening. There are some really amazing things going on. When you join club in February, this month, we're gonna send you your regular club kit, the Welcome-ish transfer, the 3 chalk paste colors, all for $21.99. You do not pay extra shipping. Its shipping is free, so woohoo on that. That's awesome. Because these days, you guys, shipping is like as much or more than the products themselves, you know? So, you can join. You're going to get the Welcome-ish kit. Then, just for joining and saying thank you, your first kit always comes with a mini squeegee. So you're going to get one of these jobbies, and it's going to be free right in there. Free for you. And that is your thank you gift as joining as a club member. But because it is February, because it's Clubuary, you also get, ready for this? 5 free transfers. Just right inside your little package, 5 free. Guys, those are $16 each. The value of your entire package from February is gonna be $119 US, and you're only paying $21.99. It honestly can't be beat. It is an amazing deal, and I really encourage you, if you've been thinking about joining the club, this month is your month to do it. You'll be sorry if you wait, because you won't be getting something so awesome if you wait. And you guys, you're going to love it. You do get special bonuses, special promotions, and all sorts of goodies all throughout the year. So it's not just right now that we're having a special. And then you get that 40% off all of those transfers in the special section if you're looking to grab some. But every month we do something awesome for our club members. So you're gonna be really enjoying all of that. Plus, when you're in my group, you'll see all of the really cool things that I do for my club members. You guys are true VIPs, and I make sure that you get taken care of. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's assemble this. So I've got my base here, and I'm just gonna take this and drop it in. I'm going to drop this one in and assemble it. How easy. This is so easy. So you can get this tier tray system plus the inserts. The tier tray is going to be on the chalk supplies link. The inserts are going to be on the wood cutout link, okay, the Etsy store. And you've got this really cool project that we're starting. You guys, we haven't even begun to really get to decorate this. I have so much more coming in the weeks or the days following this show. So make sure you tune in to see how we do this up right. I can't wait to show you. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.